First of all, if you are watching this video, you are probably the 1% that actually want to do something with your life other than being a mindless sheep. And I know there always will be the 90% of people that will keep consuming stuff, living in a quiet desperation. But if you are serious about your time, here are a few steps to break your smartphone addiction and get back countless hours of your life. Number 1. Turn off all sound notifications other than calls. If someone wants to reach you as soon as possible, he will call you anyways, not text. And you don't want to get distracted every few minutes by sound notifications. Smartphones hack our dopamine most crucially through the sounds and banners indicating that someone messaged or mentioned you, and you must look right now to satisfy your curiosity. Number 2. Grayscale. When you turn on grayscale, your brain will not get as stimulated. App developers actually use these bright colors to get you more addicted to notifications. There is a reason red color is used in most signs that show danger. And when your red notification pops up, your brain automatically gets hooked by the red color. I personally use grayscale on my phone, and honestly, it is 10 times more boring to use my phone. Number 3. Delete all the apps that you don't use. When you unlock your phone, you don't want it to be full of games, apps, or other crap. Just leave a few apps you actually need so you don't spend time searching for them on your phone screen. Number 4. The best way to counter mindless scrolling is with mindful scrolling. Set times each day or each week to look at your smartphone and really focus on it. Don't do anything else, be all about your phone for those minutes as if it was your job. This way you will have a strict limited time periods where you can actually use your phone and be productive. Number 5. Physically separate yourself. When you go to sleep, leave your phone in the other room so there is no way you are checking it at night or even worse, in the morning. Many studies have shown that these are the worst times to be on your phone. Number 6. Set goals and write them down, so the next day you wake up, you have an actual plan to do something other than checking your phone. It is really crucial you have a reason to not waste your time scrolling. Without anything planned for the future, your brain will automatically go into default mode and there will be no reason to do any of this. And remember, if you are even watching this video, there is a big chance you want to improve your life, and you can be part of the 1% that actually does something about it. So if you like this video, press thumbs up, and thanks for watching.